All right, let's go ahead and get started. Can you guys hear me? Wave if you can hear me. Good to see everyone. All right, Mr. Collins here, your principal. Please stand now for the morning announcements. Today is Thursday, November 19th. Please place your right hand on your heart and join me in the Pledge of Allegiance. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. Please place your hand to your side for the landmark creed. I am a landmark student. I strive to achieve academic excellence. I exemplify high moral character. I work diligently to prepare for the future. I know that my success in school and life is dependent on my own efforts. Thank you. Have a great day, Landmark, and enjoy the assembly. Great to see all you remote learners.
All right, good morning. I'm excited to announce our Moral Focus Gratitude Award winners for K through 2. So we'll start with kindergarten. All right, it doesn't look like the names are popping up, so I will just read the names and then we'll make sure that we get them added. All right, so in kindergarten, congratulations to Jackson Tuzlin, Waverly Davis, Bella Romero Minjares, Diego Duran Delgadillo, Sinai Orantes, Justice Jones, AJ Enriquez, Peyton Delgado. Congratulations, kindergartners. Let's give them a round of applause. Okay, next up for first grade, we have Juan Castro, Regina Gonzalez, Ethan Bergstrom, Nixon Dunlap, Abram Jeffries, Savannah Lemon, Thane Miller, and Violet Clatworthy. Congratulations, first graders. And second grade, congratulations to Sari Malley, Rory McBride, Addison Galbraith, Kason Baldwin O'Leary, Ryan Ing, Madeline Coleman, Charlie Q. Segobiano, and Marcus Bernal. Congratulations, second graders. We're proud of you for showing gratitude. Keep up the great work.
All right, for third grade, we've got Jaden Mauder, Lexi Chavez, Maya Kelly, Noah Wiest, Theodore Nunheis, Ella Jones, Seth Archuleta, and Aubrey Aguirre. Congratulations, third graders, for showing gratitude. Way to go. And for fourth grade, we have Kaylee Apt, Memphis Means, Braxton Ray, Harmony Ortega, Bryce Ortiz, Annalisa Ventura, Isabella Totooa, and Daniel Sayo. Congratulations, fourth graders. Thank you for showing gratitude in a special way. Congratulations to all of our Gratitude Moral Focus Award winners.
Our fourth grade definition of gratitude is take time each day to think of good things. We gave your teacher leave so you can make a gratitude tree. We are going to show some examples now. Have fun making your gratitude tree.
Here are creative ideas for your class trees, presented with a simple poem.
On a table, on the wall, 3D paper, and that's not all. Bring the branches right inside. Or boldly share it just outside. Sweet or grand, short or tall, gratitude is great for fall.
That is all we have for you guys today. I enjoy making your gratitude trees. And have a great rest of your day.
Have a great day, Landmark.